Why IPO at this time? We've been looking at the markets for a while, and one of the things I like to say to folks about our business is that we've always been focused on doing the right thing for customers, and therefore our focus has been on when was the right time to potentially return to the markets. The good thing for all of us is the economy seems to be getting a bit better. The sense that the markets are hungry for good stories, and we're a very unique story of a scaled business with profitability and growth. That's not a common story, and investors really like that story. So we looked at all those dynamics and said, it's time, let's make this happen. I've gotten a number of questions about what it's like to bring the business public a second time. It's really a nice thing for so many people who weren't a part of that first story to be part of this incredible milestone. It's kind of a career-defining moment for a lot of folks. And honestly, I certainly never thought we'd be back in the public markets in such a short time, but it's an exciting recognition and acknowledgement of the quality of the business we built, the way we show up with our customers and with our partners, and most importantly with our own team. We talked a lot about our culture and the values we have and how we value every member of our team, and it's just exciting for everyone to be a part of this. I think what's really interesting about what you see in the landscape of the environment is sometimes people that look like they're very formidable aren't so formidable later. So I think there's a sense of play the long game, do the right thing for the customers, do the right thing for the business, and sometimes these things sort themselves out over time. So we tend to have a kind of a long view of where we're going and the value we're delivering to customers. What I love is when I get to bounce around the world occasionally, I get to talk to folks on the front lines, if you will, the first line folks, the folks that are at the core of the organization. When they start playing back to me why they love the culture, the way they feel here, that means it's kind of working, it's getting throughout the organization. They feel a part of this team, they want to be a part of this team. When people like the people they work with, they get a lot done together. We sort of capture our culture in a simple phrase of no smart jerks. We sort of want people that are really great at what they do, but they're really fun to work with, and we're very fortunate to attract and retain a lot of those people.